Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable compact layout on Skype app on an Android device. Well, some users may prefer a larger interface with more space between contacts and conversations. So, disabling compact layout allows you to have a more spacious view, which can be easier to navigate, especially for those with larger screens. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app. After that, find out this icon and tap on it. So, lastly, you can click Disable Compact Layout option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable compact layout on Skype on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.